Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Bluetooth icon not showing in Device Manager. First method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Turn on Bluetooth. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Bluetooth. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Bluetooth Support Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Fourth method is Open File Explorer, this PC, C drive. Windows, System 32 folder. FSQUIRT in search. Fifth method is open any browser. Search with motherboard manufacturer name. Click manufacturer website. Click support. Click driver and utility. Click Download under Bluetooth. Extract and install downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.